Pranam. Adhyapika ji, but don't unmute it. Don't unmute. Please mute yourself. Today, many activities we are going to do. So listen carefully. First, I want to tell you very, very important thing. Listen. If you are using mobile, laptop or tab, before coming to online class, you have to charge your device. Before coming to online class, you have to charge your device. Please don't sit taking charging and listening into with the earphones. It is not safe. So before sitting online class, charge your mobile or laptop or tab, whatever you are using. That is really very important for your safety. Now, last time we have learned Sanyukta mentioned. So today we are going to learn something new. Before that, one activity I am going to give. We have learned Ginati 1 to 10 oral. We have learned Ginati 1 to 10 oral. Today we are going to make revise. And I am taking any two children name. Please listen carefully. I am taking any two children name. Those two child only collect any 10 things from their home. Collect any 10 things. Whoever the name, I am taking the two children name, one from C and one from D section I am taking. And those children only you have to collect any 10 things from your home, and you have to on your video and you have to show the counting in Hindi. Anything, you can collect your 10 toys or 10 tomatoes, 10 potatoes, 10 chilies, anything, whatever available. So this chance I will give everyone some and some session. So today I am going to take the name from 2C. It's Harini. Harini 2C. Say yes, dear, if you are there. Say yes, dear. Say yes, ma'am. Harini 2C. Are you there? Harini 2C. And from the D section, Akash 2D. Akash 2D. Are you there? Say yes, ma'am. Unmute and say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, today's activity for Harini 2C and Akash 2D, you both just collect any 10 things from your home, 10 tomatoes or 10 chili, 10 pencils, anything 10, and you have to on the video and you have to show us. After 5 minutes, I will ask. After 5 minutes, I will ask. Akash 2D, mute yourself quickly. Mute yourself. Akash 2D, mute yourself. Very good. Okay, children. Now I'm going to on my video and let's count one more time. See, we will start counting. I have some different objects today. So I have here with me many bangles. Let's count the bangles today. And after that, we will see Harini's and Akash activity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you can say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is about Ginati, and I'm going to show you one song for that. Just a minute, I need to share with you. You will definitely enjoy that song. The song, in that song, one man is there. That man, we say dhobi. Dhobi means the washerman. We say dhobi means washerman. You can see the man. Washerman means who is wash our clothes. So he is bringing some clothes and we have to count. So dhobi aya. Aya means is coming. कितने कपड़े लाया? कितने means how many? कपड़े means cloth. For one cloth we say kapda. Many cloths we say kapade. So Seema ma'am, just tell me the video is audible or not?
Start, ma'am. Yeah,
Audible.
First you play button. Press the play button. No, sound is not coming.
It's audible?
No, sound not coming, ma'am. Only picture there. Video
Okay.
visible is coming. The sound not coming.
Okay, thank you. Okay, children, you just see the video. I will sing the song. धोबी आया कितने कपड़े लाया? धोबी आया कितने कपड़े लाया? जरा गिन के बताओ जरा कितने कपड़े लाया? धोबी आया कितने कपड़े लाया? धोबी आया कितने साथ कितने कपड़े लाया? कितने कपड़े लाया? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 बस। धोबी आया कितने कपड़े लाया? गिन के बताओ जरा कितने कपड़े लाया? धोबी आया कितने कपड़े लाया? धोबी आया कपड़े साथ कितने कपड़े लाया? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 और बस। Thank you so much, children. I hope you enjoy this song. धोबी आया कितने कपड़े लाया means how many clothes he brought? 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 clothes he brought for us. Okay, so I'm going to call now Akash 2D. Akash 2D, are you ready with your object?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. On your video, I want to see. Here on your video. Very good, Akash. Harini 2C, be ready for the next. Okay, Akash, let's start counting in Hindi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start counting in Hindi.
8 2 3 5 4
Start.
5 6 7
8.
9
Very good. Super, Akash. Good try. Excellent. Now mute your video and mute your speaker quickly.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. The next one, Harini 2C. Harini 2C, are you ready? Harini 2C. Harini 2C, are you there? Are you ready with your object? Please answer, dear. If you don't know, I will help you. Are you ready? Harini 2C. Okay, I will call again next time. Okay, children, now we will turn to the next topic. We have learned Sanyukta Vyanjan, and I told you that always Vyanjans are taking help of swar. We have learned swar and its matra. A, I, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au, Aha. We all know these are swars, and every swar has some matra sign. Only has not any matra sign. Other all these words had some matra sign. So today we are going to learn how Vyanjans are taking the help from this word. That means how they are taking the matra sign and mixing with them. Okay, so for what? For that we say Barah Khadi. We say Barah Khadi. Barah means 12 in Hindi. Barah means 12 in Hindi. There are total 13 words, but there is no any matra sign. That is always mixing with the vyanjan. So others 12 matra sign we are going to add. So Barah means 12. Barah Khadi means we are going to add all 12 swar matra sign to the vyanjan. So let's learn how we are going to do that. 1 minute. I'm going to share. Okay. So here I have written Hindi Barah Khadi. Hindi Barah Khadi की पूरी जानकारी. That is complete. We are taking the knowledge of Hindi Barah Khadi. So Barah Khadi means we have to join the swar matra sign to the व्यंजन. जब हम व्यंजन जोड़ते हैं तो 12 हिंदी स्वर अलग अलग ध्वनियां देती है. 12 Hindi vowels give different sound when we add a consonant. See, we have learned many words, different sound. Again E, you have to stretch again E. Like that, we have learned all the different sounds. That different sounds are mixing with the consonant letters, and we can get the complete consonants, different sounds. So let's see. हिंदी मात्रा शब्द का प्रयोग स्वर चिन्ह के लिए किया जाता है. हिंदी मात्रा वर्ड is used for vowel sign. When the consonant is pronounced without a vowel, the consonant the diacritic mark right slanting stroke. That is, we say halanta. See children, when we were learning Sanyukta Vyanjan, we told you there are two Vyanjan mixing and one new letter we are getting. So, for example, here I have given in red mark K, and below there is a one line, small slanting line that we say halanta. That means that is a letter is half letter. So, whenever you are pronouncing half letter, you can't pronounce K. You have to pronounce quickly, like K. K. It's a half letter, so we can't pronounce K. K means already A is mixing. So without anything mixing, that means half vyanjan, we have to pronounce quickly. K, ma, cha, like that. So for this we call mool vyanjan. Means basic vyanjans are half letters only, but always A is mixing with that letter, so it is complete vyanjan. So you know all this swar and matra. That's a, e, u, ri, a, I, o, au, aha. You all know these words, and below there are some signs. That signs also we have learned about matra signs. Below I have written NA, not applicable. That means there is no any matra sign for a. You can see the one standing line and the was the circle. We have to write Vyanjan over there. So that is the circle. E from left side it comes. Badi E, the big E from right side matra sign. U, it comes from down towards left. U, it comes from down towards right. Down line. Re, or you can say Ru, anything, correct? Re. So the down curve like a small C. A, one balloon up. I, two balloons up. O, one balloon up with one standing line. Au, two balloons up with one standing line. Dot on the head. Aha, near two dots. So we have learned all these matra signs and I have shared the PPT. So I hope everyone has go through that. The next one. Okay, you can see now how we are going to join the matra sign with the Vyanjan. The first box, half ka. The line below, that is half ka plus a. There is no any matra sign for a, so I have written complete a there. That means ka. The half ka, when a is mixing into the half ka, we can get complete ka. So ka. The next box you just see ka plus a ki matra sign. That's ka. Ka plus a ka. So for plus we say in Hindi jama. For addition we say in Hindi jama. So ka jama a ka. Next box ka jama a ki matra ka. Third box ka. That is a half letter again. Ka jama first e ki matra hai from the left side. Ka jama e is e. The fourth one ka jama badi e ki matra. You have to stretch the word. E is e. Ka jama e e. The fifth box ka jama u. The first u towards left from the down is u. Ka jama u ki matra u. Next ka jama u. You have to stretch little bit with the big u. Down from the down towards down to right, going right. It's u. Ka jama u. U. Next ka jama ri or ka jama ru, anything. Ka jama ri is kri. Ka jama ri. Ri ki matra. You can see down one small ka. Ka jama ri kri. Next ka jama a. A ki matra. One balloon up. You can see in that box one balloon up. So ka jama a k. The next box again half ka jama I ki matra. Two balloons up. So you have to give two balloons up for ka. So it's kai. Ka jama I kai. Next ka jama o. One balloon up with one standing line. Ka jama o ki matra ko. Ka jama o ko. Next box ka jama au. Two balloons up with one standing line. Ka jama au kau. Next box ka jama you can see that one dot below. Top of the letter. It's ka jama kan. And the last aha ki matra, two dots nearby. So ka jama aha kaha. Kaha. So this is how we are going to add the matra sign. You can see here we have written this word. We have written this word here ka Jama. Jama means add. Ka, add. A, ka. Ka, jama, e, e. Ka, jama, e, e. Ka, jama, u, u. Ka, jama, u, u. Ka, jama, ri, kri. Ka, jama, a, ke. Ka, jama, ai, kai. Ka, jama, o, ko. Ka, jama, au, kau. Ka, jama, kam. Ka, jama, aha, kaha. So this is the way we have to add all the matra signs with all the Vyanjan. The same way all matra signs will come to all the Vyanjan. Before that, I want to show you one video. Seema ma'am, just tell me the video is audible or not.
Okay. No, ma'am. Sound is not coming.
साउंड नॉट कमिंग. ठीक है सीमा, ये साउंड मुझे आ रहा है तो तुम पढ़ो, मैं चलाती हूँ.
Okay. Yes.
Parents, please mute yourself and listen the video.
Yes, children. The ka वर्ग 12 खड़ी after ka वर्ग. Already you learn vowels letter. Yes. So first line is please
Then mute yourself. After that, we have to do one very important activity for you. About this swar and matra only, I am giving one activity to all the children. If you are not listening, you can't do that. And everyone, whatever you are doing, I got that result because I have made one sample worksheet for you today. That is a complete revision worksheet, and you have to solve that after this. Only for swar and matra, that is. If you are not listening now, you can't solve that. Yes, mute yourself and listen. Yes, Seema ma'am. You can see the children, the first line is completely of swar. We have learned this. A, E,
yes.
U, V, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Okay, and we have learned say anar means pomegranate, say am means mango. We have learned that and I have forwarded that PPT to you. The below line now, it's coming with matra sign. So just see carefully what is the matra sign. There is no matra sign. One standing line. Choti E from left side. Badi E from right side. U down left. Badi U down right. Re down curve. A one balloon up. I two balloons up. O one balloon up with one standing line. Au two balloons up with one standing line. One bindu up. And aha, two whistles up. See, we have learned this all matra signs. Now you can see the video. The vengeance letter are coming with that matra sign. That matra sign. First. Ka, ka, e, ka, e, ka, u, ka, u, ka, ri, kri, ka, a, ke, ka, I, kai, ka, o, ko, ka, au, kau, ka, kam, ka, aha, kaha. So this is the ka barakhadi. We are joining all 12 matra signs to ka letter. Now the after ka, everyone know the next letter is kha. The next one is kh letter. So you can see kh a, kh, kh a, kha, kh i, khi, kh i, khi, kh u, hu, kh u, khu, kh ri, tri, kh e, khe, kh ai, khai, kh o, kho, kh au, khau, kh khum, and kh aha, khaha. So this is about kh Vyanjan. That all the matra signs are adding to that Vyanjan letter. This video we will send you today in WhatsApp, your WhatsApp group. So you can see and just see again and again. So it will be pakka for you. After kh, it's g letter. So we will join all the g for all these word matra signs. G, g a, ga, g i, g i, g u, g u, gu, g ri, gri, g e, ke, g ai, gai, g o, go, g au, gau, g gum, g aha, gaha. And I have told you there is 5 letters in K Varga, but the last letter we will not write Barakhadi for that letter because that only sounds or in between that letters will come. Will not join with any Barakhadi. So for Barakhadi we are going to write for K Varga it's K, Kh, G and Gh for this 4 only. So we have learned this G and now it's Gh. Kha. Kh a gha, kh i khi, kh i khi, kh u hu, kh u hu, kh ri kri, kh e khe, kh I khai, kh o kho, kh au khau, kh hum, kh ha aha, gaha. So this is about the video. We will send you words and extra matra signs we are adding to the Vyanjan. Okay. Seema ma'am, what is the
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
yes, last 15 minutes?
Voice is breaking.
What is the time? Last 15 minutes?
Yeah. Time. Okay. Now 9:45.
Okay. Okay, children. So we will see after all the about Varga Barakhadi. I will give you separate how to write and how to pronounce again for the next session. Now we have some activity. Just listen carefully. If the children's parents are sitting, parents please help your child to open the link. I am sending one link in the chat box. Just help them to open the link, but please don't help for the answers of the question. And the children who are sitting alone without parents, just listen carefully. Open your chat box where you are typing Jai Gurudev and giving answers. In that chat box, I'm going to send one link today and you have to click on that link. So you can get one question paper. In that question paper, you have to write your name, type in English only. You have to write your name, your grade and section. And there are 15 questions. The question we have written in Hindi as well as English because this is your first online worksheet. So we have written English question also, but the answers options, all the options we are given, answers are only in Hindi. So whenever you are reading the question, you can get the answer because you all know Swar and its matra sign. You have to pick the correct option. You have to solve all the 15 questions and last you have to submit. After submitting, you can see your score. So here all the forms, it's coming to my mail address and I will check afterwards. So now, children, if you are alone, you have to go to your chat box and I'm going to send one link. Okay? 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. And parents, if you are sitting with your children, please open the link.
My parents is not sitting with me.
Yeah, I will help you. Okay, just open your chat box. I'm going to send one link, and I will send this link to your WhatsApp group also. If you are not able to open, I will send it to your WhatsApp group. You can complete today and submit today itself. Okay.
Parents what my needs me.
See, children, I have sent one link in your chat box. Parents, please open that link. Start filling. I will also share the same link in my screen and we will read one by one question and you have to answer. Please don't answer in chat box. This is your worksheet, revision worksheet, and I want to check how many of you have looked at PPT, what we have said. So please, the parents, don't help for the answers. And children, if you are alone, click the link, whatever I have sent in chat box. If you are not able to do this, I will send it in your WhatsApp group today itself. So open that, write your name and grade section, and then we will go one by one. I will share that screen here. And if you have any doubt, you can tell us. This is the first time, we can go a little bit slowly. And if before the session, if you have not submitted, it's fine. You will submit whenever you are getting time today. Okay. Seema ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes. Yes.
So first one, Maharshi Vidya Mandir Mangadu Hindi online test. The first one, you have to write your name, the child name. You have to write. If with the initial, it will help, like Akash P or whatever. If I am writing my name, I will write Suprita P. Next, grade section, you have to write 2C or 2D. Give the grade and section. And now I'm going to read the first question. नीचे दिया गया चित्र का पहला अक्षर पहचानिए. Identify the first letter of the picture given below. We have here owl picture and we have given 3 options. The first option is E, the second option is her, and the third option is U. You have to click the correct option. Each question has 1 point. You can see right side corner, that means point. However, we are getting in the marks whenever we are taking, but this is only the revision worksheet. I hope everyone clicked the correct option. So, this is second question. नीचे दिया गया चित्र का पहला identify the first letter of the picture given below. The first letter you have to identify for the picture, mango picture. The first option is A, the second option is A, and the third option is K. Click the correct option. I hope you finished. If we get time, we will revise again. स्वर, third question. स्वर में कितने अक्षर होते हैं? How many letters are there in Hindi vowels? How many letters are there in Hindi vowels? The first option 9, second option 13, third option 10. Choose the correct answer. Fourth question. स्वर का पहला अक्षर क्या है? What is the first letter in Hindi vowel? स्वर का पहला अक्षर क्या है?
The
What is the first letter of the one minute, some problem with my microphone. So we are in question of fourth. स्वर का अक्षर क्या है? What is the first? Who is sharing? Please don't touch your screen. Please, dear, don't touch your screen in my website.
Adav Krishna, all of you mute yourself, dear. Adav Krishna.
My screen is visible now.
Now visible that first page, home page.
वो क्वेश्चन पेपर नहीं दिख रहा है क्या?
अब आ गया अभी आया. स्वर का पहला अक्षर
So the next
क्या है? यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर.
next question, fifth question. We have there नीचे दिया गया
थोड़ा
चित्र
वॉइस ब्रेक
का
हो रही है, नेटवर्क की तरफ थोड़ा सा चेंज कर.
नीचे दिया गया चित्र का पहला अक्षर पहचानिए. Identify the first letter of the given picture. The first option is B. The second option is
सुप्रीता मैम,
A. Yes.
वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है.
Okay, 1 minute. I will come out. अभी आ रही है आवाज?
Who is the annotation request, please? आवाज आ रही है. कौन annotation request भेज रहा है?
Okay. So you have to guess, identify the picture and write the first letter. First option is R, second is A, and the third is U. I hope you have finished. Next, you can see the text picture. नीचे दिया गया चित्र का पहला अक्षर पहचानिए. Identify the first letter of the given picture below. First option is O. Second option is I, and the third option is A. You have to click the correct option. The next question, E अक्षर के बाद कौन सा अक्षर आता है? Which letter comes after E? There are three options: E, U, O. So you have to click the correct option. The next question, you can see the matra sign, the dot circle. That means we have to write pension there. And other one, that is the one matra sign. So ये कौन से स्वर का मात्रा चिन्ह है? This matra sign, to which word does this matra sign belong to? To which word does this matra sign belong to? First option O, second option OU, third option I. I hope all of you complete the question answers. And the next question is, नीचे दिया गया चित्र का पहला अक्षर पहचानिए. Identify the first letter of the picture given below. Great picture. The three options, A, A. This is the three options. Next, again, one sign we have given. ये कौन से स्वर का मात्रा चिन्ह है? To which word does this matra sign belong to? The first option is O, second one is U, third one is V. You have complete, you just tell in chat box submitted. Okay. The next question, again one matra sign, dash. ये कौन से स्वर का मात्रा चिन्ह है? To which word does this matra sign belong to? The first option A, second option E, and the third option I. Next, स्वर में सबसे अंत में कौन सा अक्षर आता है? Which is the last letter of the स्वर? Aha, E, U. You have to choose the correct option. नीचे दिया गया चित्र का पहला अक्षर पहचानिए. Identify the first letter of the picture given below. The first option is E, second one is O, and third one is OU. Next, स्वर के सही क्रम को पहचानिए. Guess the correct sequence of swar letters. Now you have to read all these swar letters and correct. Choose the option. For the next online test, I will not read the letters which I was reading in options. So practice for reading letters. You have to choose the correct form of the swar. Today also we revised everything. And the last question, स्वर में ऐसा कौन सा अक्षर होता है जिसकी कोई मात्रा नहीं होती है? Which letter of the स्वर has no matra sign? The first option A, second option and the third option A. After this, you have to submit, and please confirm your submission in chat box. After the session, I will check. And the children who are alone and not sitting parents nearby, I will send the link today. Before 12 o'clock, you have to submit. Okay? Before 12 o'clock, you have to submit. Like this, we will practice for Vyanjan also and Sanyukta Vyanjan. So every day, please 15 minutes, do the Hindi practice. I hope everyone is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Only 1 minute is there. You can ask. Or else you just say submitted. Very good. Many replies I have getting. Yes. Yes. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Yes, yes, dear.
I am submitted.
You have submitted. Very good. If you have not done, just submit 12 o'clock today. Thank you so much. Today, have a nice day.